How to get an aviation job in Australia. Looking to start an aviation career in Australia? This short guide is for engineers, technicians, and aviation professionals across the APAC region. Australia's aviation industry is booming again. Airlines are rebuilding fleets, maintenance demand is rising, and skilled aviation workers are in short supply. Now is the best time to apply. So, who's hiring? There are top employers such as Qantas, Jetstar, Virgin, Rex, Alliance, Heston, Jet Aviation, and TAE Aerospace. Australia's airlines and MROs are hiring across maintenance, planning, and compliance roles. Consultancies like Jotori Aviation Consulting also provide assistance to prepare for applications across the region. Key requirements. To work in aviation maintenance in Australia, you'll need a CASA Part 66 licence or other recognised qualifications such as DGCA or EASA. Experience on Airbus or Boeing fleets. Strong demonstrated English and documentation skills. And visa eligibility. Many roles offer sponsorship, some do not. Make sure that you be smart in research by looking at search jobs on Seek, Indeed, and aviation job boards. Connect with recruiters and major airlines on LinkedIn, and join aviation job groups focused on Australia. Follow Jotori Aviation Consulting blogs for regional information. Pro tip: ensure your CV stands out. Highlight your knowledge of CASA, Part 145 regulations, safety management systems, and compliance cultures. These are highly valued in Australia. Further help, follow Jotori Aviation on YouTube and LinkedIn for job tips, CV guidance, and reviews. Or book an appointment to discuss your situation in detail. Jotori Aviation Consulting, helping APAC aviation talent take off in Australia. Contact us at support@jotoriaviation.com. Watch on YouTube, Jotori Aviation Consultancy, YouTube.